What's the meaning of aural? Aural. Aural.
Aural. Aural. Aural is an adjective that refers to anything related to the sense of hearing or the ear. It can be used to describe sounds, music, speech, or any other auditory experience. Aural experiences can be positive or negative depending on the context. Pleasant aural experiences might include calming melodies or the sound of gentle waves, while unpleasant aural experiences might include loud, jarring noises or the screeching of car brakes. Overall, aural is a term that encompasses a wide range of auditory sensations and experiences.